Okay, Snowbell, I have to go have a sleepover at my friend's house. You be good while I'm gone, okay? Okay, be good.
Shopping? She'd like to know about all these little freaks, little nerdlings that run around. Look at this shop. It looks trustable. You dudettes! How would you guys like to buy this fishing game, huh? Look, you can actually fish with them now. No thank you. Do you have any clothes? Besides this one? Oh no, not that you want this. No thank you, it's fine. I think we gotta go. But wait! Buy this now and you fish free. Yeah. Bye-bye. What in the heck is wrong with those people? I have no idea. I think we should go back now. We're not having much progress. No, okay. Let's go.
Oh, hello, Snowbell. Hi, Rika. I hope you guys were good while I was gone. Didn't run into any angry shoppers. Because if you did, they're probably trying to rip you off. Huh, that's funny. Okay, well, bye, guys. I'm gonna go to bed. I stayed up almost all night last night. Now I need to probably